And in the Apostle John's first letter, we're reminded the blood of Jesus, his Son, purifies us from all sin. Now, God's grace is your only hope, and that's why the New Testament sacraments seal it. We're reminded of this every time we celebrate. This is how we worship God. And next week, we will celebrate the Lord's Supper. Just how the Sundays fell. So this is Matthew 26. Then he took the cup, gave thanks, and offered to them, saying, "Drink from it, all of you. This is my blood of the covenant, which is poured out for many for the forgiveness of sins." We still have a blood theology. I am not a priest. We don't sacrifice anything. Jesus died once. Now we remember it, and we celebrate his death, and we proclaim him every time we celebrate the Lord's Supper. You do receive Jesus' body and blood in the sacrament every time you come forward. And you do so for the forgiveness of sins. We taste and see how good he is.